Hey guys, and welcome to Math 1 minus 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 1 in parentheses. So 1 minus 8 gives us negative 7, and negative 7 divided by 2 gives us negative 7 over 2. Now negative 7 over 2 divided by times 2 plus 1 in parentheses. This parenthesis is equals to 3. Now we have negative 7 over 2 times 3. That this expression is equals to 7 times 3 gives us 21. 2 times 1 gives us 1, and we have 1 negative here. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parentheses, then exponent, then then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Now, according to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. Now, 2 plus 1 gives us 3. And now we have 1 minus 8 divided by 2. And we have one multiplication here and 3. Now, according to PEMDAS, this rule, division and multiplication has higher priority than this expression, so we have to solve them first. And as we know, division and multiplication are equally important, so we have to solve from left to right. Now 8 divided by 2 gives us 4, and now 4 times 3 gives us 12. Now at the end we have 1 minus 12, that this expression is equals to negative 11. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.